but the truck didn't move, so he just rammed into it. It was a very big mess, but Thomas didn't care, so he left.